You're watching GhostWolfArt.
Don't say you know me when you know it's not true. Until you walked a mile in my shoes. Slept a night in my weary bed, dealing with the demons in my head. Trying to be someone you're not doesn't mean you're American. Until you understand red, white, and blue. Sometimes it's hard to let your loved ones go, not knowing if you'll ever see them anymore. They're gonna do what they gotta do for me and you. Time turns into days, and the tears just roll away. Hoping and praying God will bring them back home someday. Standing strong as a loved one's hope to carry on until the day they gone. Come back home. Sometimes it's hard to let your loved ones go, not knowing if you'll ever see them anymore. They're gonna do what they gotta do for me and you.
If you like this video, I'm asking you to email, call, or tweet your family, friends, and neighbors. Tell them to watch and weigh in with comments and questions. It's time for us to come together. It's time for us to act. So let's get this circulating on the internet all around the world as quickly and efficiently as possible. Thanks for watching. In fact, you can subscribe with a click of the mouse.